Creating an e-library website involves several key steps to ensure a user-friendly platform for accessing digital books and resources. Here's a concise guide. Define your purpose and audience. Clearly outline the purpose of your e-library and identify your target audience. Determine the types of digital resources you want to offer. Choose a platform. Select a content management system or use specialized library management software. Popular choices include WordPress with library plugins, Drupal, or dedicated library systems like Koha. Secure digital resources. Acquire digital books, journals, and other resources legally. Ensure proper licensing and permissions for each item in your collection. Design the website. Design a user-friendly website with easy navigation. Include features like search functionality, categories, and user accounts for personalized experiences. Integrate a library management system. If not using a CMS with built-in library capabilities, integrate a library management system to organize, catalog, and manage your digital collection efficiently. Implement user authentication. Set up user authentication to manage access control. This ensures only authorized users can access specific resources. Optimize for search engines. Implement SEO best practices to make your e-library discoverable online. Use descriptive metadata for each resource. Enable online reading or downloading. Provide options for users to read resources directly on the website or download them for offline access. Ensure compatibility with various devices. Incorporate social features. Allow users to share, rate, and review resources. Encourage community engagement and discussions around your digital collection. Regular updates and maintenance. Keep your e-library up to date with new acquisitions, software updates, and security patches. Regularly seek user feedback for improvements.